Theta cost especially equivalent to $0.8610 a coin, which most certainly is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.8472 to 0.8680 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 0.8500, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The change truly was plus 0.0110, plus 1.29% in a significant way. Reverse rate, USD to Theta in a for the most part huge manner. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 29. Cost $0.86. Fundamentally greatest 0.92, certainly least 0.80 in a very large way. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 30. Cost $0.86, especially most extreme 0.92, genuinely least 0.80 in a kind of significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31. Cost $0.86, beautiful greatest 0.92, most certainly least 0.80 in a very enormous manner. Theta conjecture on Thursday, June 1. Cost $0.83, sort of most extreme 0.89, truly least 0.77, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 2. Cost $0.85, greatest 0.91, genuinely least 0.79 in a truly significant way. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, June 5. Cost $0.85, exceptionally greatest 0.91, fundamentally least 0.79, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6. Cost $0.81, genuinely most extreme 0.87, especially least 0.75, which by and large is very huge. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, June 7. Cost $0.79, especially most extreme 0.85, fundamentally least 0.73 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 8. Cost $0.79, most certainly greatest 0.85, really least 0.73 in a significant way. Theta estimate on Friday, June 9. Cost $0.78, most certainly greatest 0.83, really least 0.73, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 12. Cost $0.80, genuinely greatest 0.86, fundamentally least 0.74 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Tuesday, June 13. Cost $0.80, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.86, especially least 0.74, or so they sort of thought. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14. Cost $0.81, genuinely greatest 0.87, fundamentally least 0.75, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Thursday, June 15. Cost $0.80, genuinely greatest 0.86, beautiful least 0.74 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 16. Cost $0.79, extremely greatest 0.85, least 0.73, exhibiting that Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 2. Cost $0.85, genuinely greatest 0.91, genuinely least 0.79, which especially is very critical. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, June 19. Cost $0.81, most extreme 0.87, by and large least 0.75 in an unpretentious manner. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20. Cost $0.78, especially most extreme 0.83, truly least 0.73. By and large further appearance how in about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 12. Cost $0.80, fundamentally greatest 0.86, kind of least 0.74, which especially is genuinely critical. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, June 21. Cost $0.80, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.86, exceptionally least 0.74, showing that Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 7. Cost $0.79, by and large greatest 0.85, especially least 0.73 in a fundamentally significant way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 22. Cost $0.80, most certainly greatest 0.86, by and large least 0.74. Theta gauge on Friday, June 23. Cost $0.76, in every practical sense, greatest 0.81, lovely least 0.71, showing that the change in a real sense was plus 0.0110, plus 1.29% in an extremely significant way. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.75, certainly greatest 0.80, least 0.70 in a for the most part significant manner. Theta estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.72. USD to Theta conversion scale pretty equivalent to 1.1614 coins per $1 in a really significant manner. Today, S reach 1.1521-1.1804, or so they especially thought. The past day, S nearby 1.1765, which for the most part shows that Theta cost essentially equivalent to $0.8610 a coin in a significant manner. Change for now 0.0151, 1.28% in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, May 29, cost 1.163 coins, essentially most extreme 1.250, really least 1.087, which fundamentally is very critical. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.163 coins, kind of greatest 1.250, least 1.087. Dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.163 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 1.250, exceptionally least 1.087 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.205 coins, genuinely greatest 1.299, sort of least 1.124. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, June 2, cost 1.176 coins, especially greatest 1.266, in every practical sense, least 1.099 in a truly significant way. In multi-week USD to Theta expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 1.176 coins, sort of most extreme 1.266, kind of least 1.099 in a really significant manner. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.235 coins, essentially most extreme 1.333, certainly least 1.149, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.266 coins, lovely greatest 1.370, truly least 1.176. Dollar to Theta estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.266 coins, genuinely greatest 1.370, essentially least 1.176, which shows that dollar to Theta figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.266 coins, most certainly most extreme 1.370, least 1.176 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 1.282 coins, extremely greatest 1.370, lovely least 1.205, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days dollar to Theta conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 1.250 coins, greatest 1.351, especially least 1.163, which for the most part is very huge. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday,